Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Infinix Hot 40i and let me share with you how to change the 3-button navigation into the gestures. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Then let's tap on the system navigation. And of course, we've got the 3-button navigation currently applied. If you want to, you can tap on more settings, and there you can customize the 3-button navigation. To set the gesture, simply tap on this option at the top, and as you can see, immediately instead of the 3 buttons, we actually do not have anything. So here you've got the animation, which will allow you to actually learn the gestures. Of course, you can go through the gesture tutorial. You've got also more settings, so you can customize them here. You can change the back sensitivity and the voice assistant, and to be honest, I highly recommend to get back to the back sensitivity option after a while of using the gestures, so you'll be able to actually decide whether you really need to change the sensitivity and set it on lower or higher end. Alright, so right now a quick tutorial of how to use the gestures. If you want to get back directly to the home page, then you have to swipe your finger from the bottom to the center. It should be a short and a quick motion, but actually before I'll show you how to use the back gesture. So simply swipe your finger from the side to the center, like that, and if you can see the arrow, then release the finger. Do not hold your finger for too long because you will open this additional bar. So just like that, a quick motion, and the same situation from the right side. As I said, the home page, a short and quick motion from the bottom to the center, like that, and the recents, just repeat the gesture, so from the bottom to the center, but elongate it slightly, like that. And as you can see there, we've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.